Hi guys, Dirk Floubens. Well, I'm showing you something new. This is our lay flat basket for firefighting lay flat. This one you can, it bolts onto your Floubens, or you can bolt it onto your trailer units. This one takes two 30-meter, this is 38s, we get them in all the sizes, so it can carry two of your lay flats. And then I want to show you another thing, our lay flat roller. Let me show you that. So this here is our lay flat roller. This is made to roll up your lay flats, your fire hoses. Very, very simple. And you do it like in 30 seconds. Just hook it in there. And then you start rolling. This is a 30-meter hose. Let's see, it's rolling it up. And that's it. There's your 30-meter hose. You can just pull it off and then bring it back and put it back into your basket. Well guys, I think this came out quite cool. Tell us what you think.